Introducing Aagard's Aspire CCP system, a small footprint combination cartoner, case packer, and dual palletizer. This machine features a high-speed carton infeed, retail-ready cartoner for shelf-ready display, printer integration, multiple safety zones, and a low-level palletizer. Cartons are received on the infeed conveyor wide side leading. The transfer conveyor moves layers of product under the servo motor sweep. As cartons arrive at the stack chamber, they are brought over the spatula by the sweep flights. When a new layer is being transferred by the sweep, the stack chamber will move up slightly to reduce the height that the product will drop. The spatula extends to bring the first layer of cartons past the seam of any cartons below to prevent snagging. The spatula retracts before the second layer enters. This process will repeat until all defined layers are received. When the stack is complete, the lowerator will lower down the carton stack to the carton loading station as another set of flights move to accumulate the next stack. A carton is picked out of the magazine and placed in the setup station. Flap traps hold the bottom major flaps as the carton setup arm lowers the carton blank into the flights. The carton blank advances from the setup station to the load station while the leading and trailing vertical flaps on the non-load side are closed. Funnels insert into the carton to assist in a smooth load transition. The complete stack is pushed out of the load chamber into the awaiting carton. The filled carton then advances to the compression station. Flaps are glued and compression plates close the major flaps and hold the carton for maximum case squareness. The carton is then advanced out of the compression station. The carton is printed and is inspected for open flaps. Cartons with a reject condition will be rejected. If no reject condition exists, the carton push transfers the carton onto the carton infeed. The carton conveyor accumulates the cartons in front of the loader. When enough cartons are presented, the case loader pushes the layer onto the carton lowerator while the carton stop holds any upstream product. The carton lowerator lowers one layer height to accept the next layer of the stack. Case blanks are pulled out of the magazine and set up in the load station. At the load station, the trailing vertical flap on the non-load side is closed. The carton loader pushes the stack of cartons into the awaiting case. Flap traps insert into the case on the load side to assist in a smooth load transition to prevent cartons from snagging case corners. Once the case is filled, case containment will release the case and shuttles the case to the compression station. As the case advances, glue is applied to the minor flaps and major flaps are folded by the case squaring devices. As the case is released from compression, it is inspected for open flaps. If a reject condition is detected, the case will be discharged. If no reject condition exists, the case will convey to the case stop and will be pushed onto the case tip and tipped 90 degrees. The cube robot picks the case off the tipper, moves it through case printing, and places it in the proper orientation on either pallet A or pallet B. Aagard is delivering packaging systems that give our customers a competitive advantage. Our robust systems have made us leaders in the packaging industry. Custom built in the USA, Aagard's equipment will meet and adapt to your evolving packaging challenges. Give us a call and let us explain how we do business differently.